Hello. All right, today we're going to be learning the letter H. Skip through this. All right, the sixth letter we'll learn is a consonant. And consonants are letters that are not vowels. They're letters that make one sound. The fifth consonant we'll learn is H. It's the eighth letter in the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. All right, and you can see the letter right here, an uppercase H and a lowercase h. Let's really quick warm up by practicing the letter G, which is the last letter we learned. Lowercase g, uppercase G, lowercase g, g. Remember, like you're really thirsty and you want a gulp of water, g, g, g. It's back in the throat. You make that sound. G, 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 g. G, a, ga, ga, ga. All right, I'm going to say this and then I want you to say it back twice to me. The name of the letter is H. The name of the letter is H. Your turn. Name of the letter is H. The name of the letter is H. The sound of the letter is H. The sound of the letter is H. Your turn. The sound of the letter is H. The sound of the letter is H. When you say that sound, put your hand up in front of your face. You should feel your breath blowing on your hand when you say the sound. All right, so let's practice it. H, 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 H. All right, so let's think of some words that begin with the sound. All right, there's lots of words that begin with the sound. I will get my alphabet soup can out and show you some of those tomorrow. But be thinking about words you can bring to group that have the sound at the beginning. All right, to write this letter, you are going to start at the top for the uppercase letter and make a straight line down. It's made out of all sticks, so it's an easy letter to write. Then you're going to go over a little, make another straight line down, and then you're going to cross them in the middle. It's kind of like you turned an I on its side. Capital H. So every time you write that, you're going to say H says, H says, H says. All right, for the lowercase, this is a little trickier, and it's really important you get this right. Because when you start at the top, you're going to go all the way down. You're not going to pick your pencil up for this. You're going to go back up to the middle line and then curve it over like a rainbow to the ground. So top to bottom, back up to the middle, curve it over like a rainbow to the ground. And every time we do that, we say H says. The reason why this is super important is because if you don't make your stick tall enough, it looks like an N. Or, let me erase this part. Or if you don't curve it over just right, it kind of looks like an R or like you're trying to write a K. So you want to make sure that you are making your lines go straight up and down and that you do not halfway do your stick. You do it all the way to the top. All right, we're going to read this word right here or this slide. No, we're not. We're going to move on and then we'll come back to this. All right, so when we put H with the letter A, then we're going to slide them together. H says, A says, ah, together, ha, ha. Remember, like we're going down the slide, ha. All right, so here are some words that have ha in them that make a word. So we have hat, hat. I wear a hat to the parade. Had. I had a great day at school. Hag. It's like a really, the witch or the wicked stepmother in Snow White. In the original book, it calls her a hag, means a really old, wicked person. Right, and then we have have, and this symbol tells us that this isn't a real word, so we can't use it in a sentence. All right, so let's quickly practice this. Lowercase h, uppercase H. H, H, H. Ha, ha. Now we're going to make those into words. Had, have, hag, hag. Dad had the bag. Dad had the bag. All right, that's it for the letter H today. Tomorrow, I'll read you our H book. We'll look at our alphabet soup can, and we'll listen to Sesame Street's podcast for the letter H. All right, bye, guys.